Logo key. Open or close start. Logo key plus A. Open quick settings. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus B. Set focus to the first icon in the taskbar corner. Logo key plus C. Open Windows Couplet. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus Shift plus C. Open the Charms menu. Logo key plus Control plus C. Turn on color filters. Logo key plus D. Display and hide the desktop. Logo key plus E. Open File Explorer. Logo key plus F. Open Feedback Hub and take a screenshot. Logo key plus G. Opens Box Game Bar when a game is open. Logo key plus Alt plus B. Turn HDR on or off. Logo key plus H. Launch voice typing. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus I. Open settings. Logo key plus J. Set focus to a Windows tip when one is available. Logo key plus K. Open cast from quick settings. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus Alt plus K. Toggle microphone mute and apps that support call mute. Logo key plus L. Lock your PC or switch accounts. Logo key plus M. Minimize all windows. Logo key plus Shift plus N. Restore minimized windows on the desktop. Logo key plus N. Open Notification Center and Calendar. Logo key plus O. Lock device orientation. Logo key plus P. Choose a presentation display mode. Logo key plus Control plus Q. Open Quick Assist. Logo key plus R. Open the Run dialog box. Logo key plus Alt plus R. Record video of game window in focus. Logo key plus S. Open search. Logo key plus Shift plus S. Take a screenshot of part of your screen. Logo key plus T. Cycle through apps on the taskbar. Logo key plus U. Open accessibility settings. Logo key plus V. Open the clipboard history. Logo key plus Shift plus V. Set focus to a notification. Logo key plus W. Open widgets. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus X. Open the quick link menu. Logo key plus Y. Switch input between Windows Mixed Reality and your desktop. Logo key plus Z. Open the snap layouts. Updated in Windows 11. Logo key plus period left parenthesis or semicolon left parenthesis. Open emoji panel. Logo key plus comma left parenthesis. Temporarily peek at the desktop. Logo key plus pause. Opens start greater than settings greater than system greater than about dot. Logo key plus Control plus F. Search for PCs if you're on a network. Logo key plus number. Open the desktop and start the app pinned to the taskbar. Logo key plus Shift plus number. Open the desktop and start a new instance of the app pinned to the taskbar. Logo key plus Control plus number. Open the desktop and switch to the last active window of the app pinned to the taskbar. Logo key plus Alt plus number. Open the desktop and open the jump list for the app pinned to the taskbar. Logo key plus Control plus Shift plus number. Open the desktop and open a new instance of the app located at the given position on the taskbar as an administrator. Logo key plus Tab. Open task view. Logo key plus up arrow. Maximize the window. Logo key plus Alt plus up arrow. Snap window in focus to top half of screen. Logo key plus down arrow. Remove current app from screen or minimize the desktop window. Logo key plus Alt plus down arrow. Snap window in focus to bottom half of screen. Logo key plus left arrow. Maximize the app or desktop window to the left side of the screen. Logo key plus right arrow. Maximize the app or desktop window to the right side of the screen. Logo key plus home. Minimize all except the active desktop window. Logo key plus Shift plus up arrow. Stretch the desktop window to the top and bottom of the screen. Logo key plus Shift plus down arrow. Restore/minimize active desktop windows vertically, maintaining width. Logo key plus Shift plus left arrow or right arrow. Move an app or window in the desktop from one monitor to another. Logo key plus Shift plus spacebar. Cycle backwards through language and keyboard layout. Logo key plus spacebar. Switch input language and keyboard layout. Logo key plus Control plus spacebar. Change to a previously selected input. Logo key plus Control plus Enter. Turn on narrator. Logo key plus plus plus. Open magnifier and zoom in. Logo key plus minus dash. Zoom out and magnifier. Logo key plus ESC. Close magnifier. Logo key plus // Begin IM reconversion. Logo key plus Control plus Shift plus B. Wake PC from blank or black screen. Logo key plus PRTSCN. Save full screen screenshot to file. Logo key plus Alt plus PRTSCN. Save screenshot of game window in focus to file. Logo key plus Alt plus Enter. Open taskbar settings.